Because mine is just like straight, so yeah, disappear.
You have to get an out.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind.
My sister, and she loves her tummy.
You guys, I really love my tummy.
Guys, like this is sweat. Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you another hack on how you can lose your tummy inches. So if you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. There's a hack I shared with you some months ago on how you can lose your tummy inches using body wrap, and most of you say the hack worked. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lose your tummy inches just by wrapping a leather fabric on your tummy, because I actually thought like using the body wrap, it can be expensive because you have to buy the wrap all the time. And then I also realized like using the leather fabric, you sweat even more, and the more you sweat, the more you lose your tummy inches. So I have two fabrics right here. If you watched my previous video on how to make a corset belt, I used two leather fabrics, and I still have them right here. So we're going to use this fabric to make our wrap. Before I show you the hack with the leather, I bought this vest last year. Like, they were trading on Instagram, so I decided to get one for myself. And according to most of the reviews, some people say it works, some people say it doesn't work. But to be honest, for me, it worked. Like, this thing makes you sweat. Like, you sweat. So my sister wanted me to get her something that will just make her like sweat, like when she's working out. So I came across these shorts. They're just the same like this vest. The materials are the same, but this one is kind of thicker, so it makes you sweat more. I got her this short, and I got them from a second-hand shop. It was still new because it still had a tag, so I assumed it was still new, but then it didn't fit her, so I decided to wear it myself. And to be honest guys, like these shorts can make you sweat. I don't have a specific link on where you can get these shorts, but then it's just the same material as the vest, so if you get it online, just grab it because it's the real deal. I wore it, I didn't work out, I was just in the house like doing house chores, but then it made me sweat. These shorts are very, very comfortable, but then just watch till the end for my final recommendation. This one is thicker compared to this one, but now in today's video I'm going to use this one, this red one, because it's like thin. Yeah, but you can just use either thick or thin, you can just use either. I'm measuring my tummy inches just to see if I'll lose some inches at the end of this. So my tummy inches is 30. And then I also cut the leather, but then I realized I didn't cut 30, I cut less, so it was kind of small. And then when you measure your leather, the size of your leather, make sure it covers your entire tummy, as in from the bust line to your abdominal area, because you want the entire tummy to sweat. This fabric has two sides. One side is cotton and the other one is leather. So I'm going to attach the leather part on my tummy so that I sweat more. And if you think it will react with your skin, you can just attach the cotton part instead of the leather part on your tummy. Another thing you need is Vicks. I got this Vicks from Capital Center, Mombasa, but you can get it from Amazon, from a supermarket or pharmacy. Or if you can't get it, you can just use lotion. But Vicks has more benefits because it reduces stretch marks, it straightens your skin. But then if you can't get it, just use lotion. You'll still sweat. Since my fabric was small, I decided to cover the tummy first and just left some parts at the back. And then just make sure you cover your entire tummy to the abdominal area because you want to, the entire tummy to sweat. I'm going to work out for 20 minutes. I'm going to dance. I'm not going to work out. I'm going to dance for like 20 minutes, then I will be back. When it comes to working out, I'm not really a fan, but I can dance. Yeah, so according to me, like dancing is like workout to me, so I prefer dancing than working out most of the time. But then also I realized if I want to get like that, you know, that tummy, then I have to at least work out once in a while when I have my corset on for me to see that, you know, that shape, because I realized just dancing is not giving me that, you know, the shape that I want. I've been dancing and working out for like 30 minutes now. I was just zooming. I'm so tired. Let me just see if I'm sweating. Guys, I am sweating already. Like this is sweat. Sweat. Guys, like this is sweat. Like it's not even water, and I'm not joking. Like this is sweat. What? I really wanted my sisters to see this because my big sis wanted something that would just make her sweat, and she was so impressed with this. She was telling me there's someone who sells something like this, that it's something that makes you sweat, and she was so impressed because she's been using wrap, but then she just wanted to see the sweat, and she was so impressed with this.
You guys are really sweet.
That's nice.
I didn't know I was this much.
Because mine is just like straight, so yeah, disappear.
You want to get an hourglass figure?
I'm so impressed. Like that was just too much sweat, and also my sister is so impressed, so I'll definitely make her one. So I was just checking to see if, you know, I was sweating, and that was just too much. Like guys, and I'm not even joking about it, I'm not even like faking it, like this is real. So I want to dance again, or just work out a little bit for like 5 or 10 minutes. I'm so tired. Shit. What? I don't know if you can see this. Like this is sweat. Like it's not even like, oh my god. You'd rather buy this leather than the shorts, because even the shorts are expensive, and this leather I bought 1 meter at 200 shillings. That is $2 only, because like my sister has also been using a wrap, but then I can't say it has helped her so much, as in she was just so impressed to see that I've sweat that much. So just buy leather, cut it and wrap it around your tummy and work out with it on. It is going to help. Let me wipe my tummy, then I will be back. I haven't lost even an inch. I've lost like a half an inch, because when it started it was 30, when I finished it was between 29 and 30, so it was like 29 and a half, and that is just okay for now, because I haven't worked out for long, so that is expected, and that is like real. It's not like faking. It's not like magic has happened. When it comes to wraps, I won't say that is something that is permanent. That is something that is temporary, unless if you just make it a routine, unless you do it often. So like now when I dance or when I work out and then I sweat, and then I decide for the next 1 week I'm not going to do this anymore, like the weight is just going to come back, the inches are going to come back. So this is something that you do, but then you have to make it a routine for you to see permanent results. Every day I'm just learning and coming up with new method and new hacks, you know, to lose weight, to get in shape. And like this is one of the hacks that I'm so impressed with. You can get this leather fabric from textile shops, from guys who sell tents, and they're very affordable. They are cheap, because for mine I got it at less than 200 shillings. That was 1 meter for less than 200 shillings. That is $2 only, instead of buying, you know, these expensive shorts and all that. Yeah, so this one worked for me and I am so impressed. So guys, if you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video, guys, and remember to share this video. Bye, love you.